Guys, welcome to this video. And guys, here this just happened. The take profit area in the US oil trade that we were discussing just hit. Okay, we have hit our take profit. This was a target that I just had mentioned on that video. So the next question is, can it go? Obviously, yes, but the first thing we have to know is this gonna take this liquidity. So once it takes that liquidity, maybe some reactions. That's what I'm just waiting for. Okay, and so after that, I may be just looking for adding more into these positions, and I had cut some of this trade very early. This area, I just cut the trade and out of this area, this breakout, so I could catch that breakout too. So because since that last time, I've been just focusing on this particular single asset, and when it comes to the gold, what just happened to this? This is drowning. Amazingly big move, as we have discussed in this previous video, and there is something amazing that just happened over the ES 500, which is that breakout from that head and shoulder pattern, and I guess it's gonna go down again from this point. So it's not loading, it's taking a little bit of time, but don't worry, we're gonna open it in the CME chart. I hope it loads very quickly than the actual charts. So yeah, and it just shows this head and shoulder pattern. Break out of that. So it's not loading, but this is what the chart looks like. Actually, this is this is a head and shoulder pattern. You have breakout, retest, good entry point was that, stop loss, that's a wide stop loss. So maybe that's not a good idea to actually set up a stop loss. You won't get a big risk reward ratio. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just have my trade idea like this. This is a breaker block that we have to get the rejections, and this is not actually a clear breaker block because we have a test into this block. So if you're considering this candle, and the candle haven't touched, so that's there is not fair value gap also, so that's a good idea to actually, we don't have any protectors like a fair value gap to actually get fill. So it's not a good probability area. Maybe this about this candle. So that's where I would like to actually set up my stop loss in this short position, maybe this area, and the entry point is this, and the target could be very easily attainable to this point. That's a 1.27, and the target actually we are looking for is a little bit yeah, it's even lower, so can reach at this point. Yeah, this point. Okay, so maybe this area, so it's a 1.85, maybe 1.85, but yeah, 2.13. It's a good trade idea that I would like to actually trade this trade. So guys, okay, stay tuned.